Hi, myself Dr. Shubha, fertility specialist at Garbhagudi, Bangalore. Let's discuss one of the most common questions asked by fertility patients. Why is investigations and IVF treatment so expensive? Most of the families spend lots of money for fertility treatment, and at last 100% positive results is not being guaranteed to every individual or bearing a pregnancy. So let's discuss why is IVF treatment so expensive, or how is the investigations been that way. When it comes to part 1, that is consultation and investigations, couple walks into the infertility clinic, we do thorough history taking and examination, and we advise fertility investigation panel, wherein which for females we give serum AMH, thyroid, prolactin and other tests in case required. For males, it is semen analysis and other hormonal tests if necessary. These investigations, if it is done previously, it has to be done by standardized labs which is being recognized by WHO. So, these investigations has to be done at fertility clinics or at standardized labs. When it comes to part 2, or along with that, it is the investigations, treatment and the correction. So, it could be thyroid correction or other investigation corrections and a surgical correction in case required. Coming to part 2, is ovarian stimulation and hormonal injections, which plays a very important role. When in every females, naturally oocyte is released and then the fertilization and a pregnancy. But when it comes to IVF, we need at least 10 to 15 oocytes and better maturation. So for that, we give hormonal injections which are of the best quality, usually of a recombinant purposes, recombinant combinations, and usually of 10 to 12 days. And along with that, for the maturation, it is either the HCG or the Leuprolide. So all these injections are expensive and at the same time of the best quality, which has been imported from other countries. So these injections has to be taken regularly in the hospital for the better maturation and for the better quality of the oocytes. Next procedure is surgery and ovum pickup. In under anesthesia, we pick up the oocytes in the IVF OT under the anesthesia with the anesthetist, embryologist, andrologist and the fertility specialist, and these many equipments are required. These many equipments are disposable, sterile and of the best quality again. After that, these oocytes are being taken into the IVF lab, injected with the best processed sperms under the microscope and cultured for 5 days. The best quality embryos are being preserved under the incubators and in the cryotanks. So, microscopes, incubators, cryotanks are being very expensive, at the same moment are of the best quality. So, to maintain all this, we require of the best quality. Then as the embryo transfer, where the endometrial preparation is being done by the hormonal tablets, and then the best quality embryo is again being transferred. So when this being transferred, the culture of the embryos has to be in a good quality. When there is any power off, the IVF lab has to be still working on with the better temperature monitoring. So for all this, the machines or the monitoring and the equipments has to be in the best quality. At the end, when we look to the price, it is not about the price. It is in your hands the cute princess or the prince who has to be there. So we do ensure the better and the best quality for the IVF treatment. It is about how we go about for the good results. So I hope this topic is being clearly understood and helpful for you for the IVF treatment, and hope it is being liked by everyone. Please subscribe to our channel, and any queries, please do visit our website, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.